everyone, this is Mr. Richmond. We are making history today here at IPS. We have a live audience going on. We have a crowd of about 4 people. I am behind a divider and a mask. It's a first YouTube experience for all of us. I'm going to show you a problem that some of you may have been experiencing using or making a line graph. So let's go over an example. Let's say I have an experiment that I'm conducting. I'll pull one from your assignment with the running speed that's changing as my independent variable, which we know is going to go in my first column. Let's say I'm running at 3 miles an hour, 3.5, 4, 5, and 5.5 miles an hour. It's my independent variable. That's what I'm changing. It's going to go in my first column. My responding variable, or my dependent variable, what I'm measuring is my heart rate. So I'm just making this data up. But let's say my heart rate is at 110 beats per minute, 120, and it keeps moving up a little bit as I am running at a faster rate. Everyone's going to be a little bit different. Everyone's got different heart rates at different rates of speed, so this data by no means represents anything real to life. But either way, just for the sake of making a line graph here, I know I want to make a line graph because I'm using 2 quantitative sets of data, 2 sets of numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all my data, click on Insert, go to Chart, and find that appropriate line graph that I want. Now the problem that some of you may have been encountering is seeing these 2 lines here. So what I would like to do, I'm going to move my camera over here so you can see. What I would like to do is scroll all the way down and click on Use Column A as Labels, and that should fix my problem. The only thing I might want to do here is change my y-axis. I can change the minimum, let's say, to 100, and that might look a little cleaner. Make sure that you add your chart title and axis titles as well. So for a chart title, I might say the effect of the independent on the dependent variable, or in this case, the effect of running speed on a person's or an individual's heart rate. And then I would like my horizontal axis, or my x-axis, my independent variable, to be the running speed. Please don't forget to label your units as mph, or miles per hour. And then vertical axis, or y-axis, where we will find the dependent variable, which is going to be the heart rate of an individual. And usually the unit of measurement for heart rate is in beats per minute, or BPM. So that's how you're making your line graph if you encounter that issue. I hope this video helps. Thank you for being a part of YouTube history. Good luck.